Hi, my name is Audrey. If you suffer from knee pain or some back pain, I want to show you some things you can do using a foam roller to help alleviate some of the pain you may be feeling. Now, this will be supplemental. It's just an addition to what you're doing currently. I find that using a foam roller in this particular way that I'm going to show you will be extremely beneficial and helpful to your recovery. Let's go. You can experience knee pain in your knee, but the pain is stemming from the quad or stemming from the hamstring. So let me show you what you can do to help. Just a disclaimer, I am not a physician, nor am I a physical therapist. This is from years of training. I am certified in ACE Fitness. I'm a trainer. I teach classes. I have my personal training certification. I have some certifications in nutrition and a few other things. So this is from years of training and trial and error. So hopefully it helps you. My dog is so focused on this. It's like when I get down to the ground, it's his territory. So he's like, yeah, this is me. So I'm going to show you just one stretch today, or one, it's called self-myofascial release. I can explain that a little further if you'd like me to. However, what we're doing, we're gonna sit first. I'm gonna show you. I gotta put my dog away. 1 second. So we're gonna work on the hamstrings. And the reason why we're working on the hamstrings is because when you have tight hamstrings or tight hips, then you can essentially feel that in the knee as well. I'll show you 3 different ways of rolling the hamstrings. So right now I'm sitting, all my weight is on my right leg. So we're gonna focus on the right leg today. First way of foam rolling, I don't have any weight on this left leg. It's all on the right. My arm is on the back here for balance and structure. And all I'm gonna do is gently roll back down the length of my hamstring. And then I'm gonna come back up very gently. And if I feel a tight spot, I stop and I just sit on it and I wait a bit. And if I wanna just gently roll back and forth, you can do that. And you can feel that tension in the muscles start to release and relax. The other way is you can take your foot, your free leg, and put it over the leg that you're currently working on. So in this case, I'm working on my right and my left is gonna go over. So the reason why we're doing this is because there's a section called the piriformis muscle. It's right underneath the buttocks. So what I do is I go here, and this allows me to focus primarily on the piriformis. Now in this angle, you can't go all the way down the length of the hamstring, but that's fine because you're focusing on the piriformis. So you want to go back and forth, back and forth. And I feel some tightness here, and I hold, I inhale, exhale, it can come out. The other way of foam rolling the hamstring is you can go backwards. So you're gonna sit on, I wanna make sure I have enough room back here. So you're gonna sit on the foam roller. You're gonna come back. All I'm doing is walking my hands back all the way here. Feel the muscle tension relax. And you want to go slow because you want to get right into that muscle. And if you want to, you can even turn your leg a little bit to the side to get other parts. And I could feel how tight I am. So, and if you feel a tight spot like I feel right now, you just roll on it back and forth, back and forth. The other way, if you want to have a bit more pressure, is take the leg, slightly put it on top of the working or the leg that you are foam rolling, and it gives it a bit more pressure. And same thing. Now, if that's too much for you, you can roll both legs. So at the same time. It's still very effective, so don't worry. It doesn't have to hurt to be effective, right? So I'm sitting on the floor because I'm going to take this foam roll, I'm going to put it right underneath, right above where my knee joint begins. So it's right on the edge of my hamstrings. And I'm going to come back and I'm just going to use my hands for stability. And I'm going to go forward, slowly come backwards. And the same exact thing as you were doing before. So to recap, I'm going to use my left leg to recap. You can foam roll like so. You can foam roll on the piriformis, like so. You can just go back with both legs, like so. And out. So if you do this every day, it's effective. So don't worry about, I have to do it 10 minutes, I have to do it 15 minutes. As long as you get it in, it will be effective. If you try this, let me know. I would love to hear from you. If you are familiar with foam rolling and you do it all the time, I'd love to hear from you as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe or comment or share this video, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, I will see you in my next one. If you are interested, I can do additional foam rolling techniques for your knee pain or even your hip pain if you like. Let me know. Have a great day. Bye.